The Daily Code Snippet. This past week, we finished up with the image element and took a look at the types of images used on the web. We discussed how to write a correct relative file path for the source attribute. When going into a folder, you need to precede the folder name with a /. But if you're coming out of the folder, you need to precede the folder with a .. The path is relative to your current position. So in these examples, to get from the index.html page to the image.jpg file, you would write /images/image.jpg, but to go to the same file from the page.html file that is in the pages folder, you would write /assets/images/image.jpg. You should avoid the method of adjusting the width and the height of an image using HTML and instead use CSS. Image source equals image.jpg, alt equals a sample image, title equals image in the HTML. Image bracket width :500 pixels semicolon height :600 pixels semicolon end bracket in the CSS. We learned about vector and raster images. Vector images consist of paths and curves. Raster images consist of maps of pixels. Vector images are smaller and don't lose quality, but are not compatible with many web applications. Adding pixels to raster images to increase quality makes them bigger and load slower. JPEG, or Joint Photographic Experts Group. Raster, smaller file size, compatibility, lossy compression. PNG, portable network graphics. Raster, larger file size, lossless compression, transparency, only 16 colors for simple graphics. SVG, scalable vector graphics. Vector, resolution independent, scalable, larger file size, lossless compression. GIF, graphics interchange format, larger file size, animation or moving graphics, supports 256 colors. ICO, used for the favicon. Next up, the picture element versus image element, presented by Designers Learn Code.